NC Piedmont Outdoors presents Canteen Cup Cooking Chicken Meatball Spaghettios with Spices. Brought to you by Slammer Series Turkey Calls. Made by a hunter for hunters. Get your turkey call today by visiting www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, servicing all your pool and spa needs. Servicing the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware and surrounding areas. And Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services including wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Hey everybody, this is Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, and what I've got today, I'm just kind of sitting in my hunting stand on my property, and I'm going to make myself a little bit of dinner this evening, and I'm going to have SpaghettiOs with chicken meatballs, and I've got my Esprit stove and my Canteen cup and my little bit of Papa John's spices. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me go ahead and get started here. So I've got my Esprit stove and I've got my little Esprit alcohol tab there thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get that lit. And then once I get that lit, I'm going to go ahead and pour my can of SpaghettiOs into my Canteen cup and get them started heating up. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you. Yep, SpaghettiOs with chicken meatballs. I'm just going to pop the lid right now and then just empty it into my Canteen cup. Perfect. I just want to make sure I get all the noodles and meatballs out of there for my dinner tonight. Alright, so now I've got all the can emptied in my Canteen cup. I'm going to set it here on my Esprit stove and start letting that heat up. And I'll just get the lid on it to help with the heating process. This isn't a complicated meal tonight. It's just something quick and easy I like to do, and I've done it before in my stand in the morning. Sometimes I make oatmeal, and then in the evening sometimes I just like to have a can of something quick. And so that's kind of what I'm doing tonight. Just wanted to show you what I do. Never had any issues with my Esprit stove on my little shelf there. Not worried about it catching fire or anything, and it usually heats it up pretty quick, as you can see. Just give it a quick stir. It's starting to get fairly warm, so we'll just give it a quick stir again and just put it back on the fire and keep it going. There you go. All right, just want to do a quick check. The handles got a little hot from the flame, so I grabbed a little bit of paper towel so I can grab it. I'll pull it off and show it to you. Yeah, look at that. It's just absolutely perfect. And it's ready to eat. Now I'm going to go ahead and just add my little bit of seasoning packet, and just to give it a little kick and it'll taste a little different. But that's about all I'm going to do tonight. So again, just going to give you a quick look. And this is Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. And again, as always, if you like what you see, just go ahead and hit that like button, and please subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to add this in, as I said, and enjoy my dinner tonight. So y'all have a good day.